Alright everyone, today we'll be testing the Wheelock MIZ-24 mini horn. It's nothing special, just a mini horn. So let's set off the horn. 3, 2, 1. There is a jumper on the back that you can remove for continuous. So now let's make it do continuous. 3, 2, 1. Anyways, that's it. And for the pull station part of the test, we have the Firelight VG12. Horns go on. Takes a head. Let's stick it in the hole. Yeah, very funny. We'll put the switch. Not the best pull station handling. Of course, I gotta do it with one hand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Basic setup, maybe. Well, you would never see this with the horn because this would probably be in like a hotel room, classroom, some other small room. While the horns maybe like an AS, NS, whatever. So yeah, that's it.